Welcome back to the channel. This is best selfie editing app in 2025. So guys, the best application so far in 2025 is Lensa application. So make sure to download this on the Google Play Store. And now, once you download it, just simply tap on open. And now from here, just simply check the boxes over here. I agree. And down below and tap on continue. And now tap on continue, tap on continue. Now you will have two options. You could either go for photo editing or creating avatars. So I'm going to go for photo editing. And now I'm going to go for best online. I was as our name and tap on continue. And I'm going to go for male. I'm going to go for 1824. And I'm going to go for others and tap on continue. And after that, it will personalize our app based on the information we have provided. Now, just simply go ahead and continue with an account. I'm going to continue with my Google account. Now, over here, tap on allow to allow access to your files. And it will open up the gallery and just simply select one of your photos and tap on import. So I just selected our logo just for an example. Pretty much over here, you will have smart adjust. So you could adjust it by filters over here using AI, or you could go for the tools down below. So you will have magic AI, which is the smart adjust. You will have the eraser, which you could just simply erase in which you could just simply erase an area. So you could use the eraser. You could crop the photo by using crop, and you will have here different format, and you could adjust the angle as well. And now you will have the filters, which you will have here multiple options of the filter, or you could go for auto filter, or you could go for reference, which it will open up the gallery and you could select a picture, which it will copy based on that reference. And you will have here blur as well. You will have a backdrop. So pretty much over here, you will have multiple tools that you could use to edit out your photo. And once you are done with everything, you just simply select save on the top right corner, and you should be able to save it, and it will redirect to the gallery. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.